everyone. Welcome you all to Imagination Gallery. Here we try to show you different types of drawings and stories behind it. So if you are an art lover and wants to know the unknown facts, press the subscribe button now. Now let me introduce you to today's topic. Today in our Africa series, we will talk and illustrate about the place known as the home country of the pirates and also known as one of the oldest living centers for people on earth. It's Somalia. So keep an eye till the end of the video to see this fascinating painting and listen to the stories behind it. Here is presenting Somalia. Friends, as I say that we have seen so many aspects of Africa, from tribes to village life, from street murals to color patterns, Imagination Gallery tried to bestow all relevant details of every aspect of Africa to you. And today on our 33rd part of the series, we are going to explore Somalia. Known as the country of one of the oldest living centers for the people on earth and the home country of the pirates, we will see how this part of the Africa spends their daily life. Using acrylics on paper, I have tried to create the best possible representation of this ancient place. So let's begin the journey. Here in this painting, we can see that in this picture, two people are sitting and talking with each other, having conversation. Maybe they are sharing their life stories with each other. A woman is coming towards them with a pot in her hand. A child far away is standing and enjoying the countless memories and moments of his childhood. Let's take a turn to the corners of their lives. I will try to present this painting in front of you as better as possible. I hope you will enjoy. So first is first, art. Of course, wherever we go and whatever we visit, always Imagination Gallery is all about art. So first we talk about the Somali art. Somali art is the aesthetic culture of the Somali people, both historic and contemporary. This includes artistic traditions in pottery, music, architecture, wood carving and other genres also. There have been cases in the past of artistic depictions representing living creatures such as golden birds on the Mogadishan canopies, the ancient rock paintings in Somaliland, and the plant decorations on religious tombs in Somalia. But these are considered rare. Instead, intricate patterns and geometric designs, bold colors and monumental architecture was the norm. The oldest evidence of art in Somali Peninsula are prehistoric rock paintings. The rock art of Las Gale are thought to be some of the best preserved in Africa, representing cows in ceremonial robes accompanied by humans. The paintings not only show cows but also domesticated dogs, several paintings of canidae and a giraffe also. Now where exactly Somalia, the place where exactly it belongs? Somalia, easternmost country of the Africa on the Horn of Africa. The capital, Mogadishu, is located just north of the equator on the Indian Ocean. Somalia is a country of geographic extremes. The climate is mainly dry and hot with landscapes of thornbush, savanna and semi-desert. And the inhabitants of Somalia have developed equally demanding economic survival strategies. Apart from a mountainous coastal zone in the north and several pronounced river valleys, most of the country is extremely flat, with a few natural barriers to restrict the mobility of the nomads and their livestock. The Somali people are clan-based and about 3/5 follow a mobile way of life, pursuing nomadic pastoralism or agro-pastoralism. Friends, Somalia has a rich oral tradition. In effect, every Somali is a walking repository of the country's stories, myths, tradition and genealogies. Somali mythology dates to pre-Islamic times and includes belief in jinn, supernatural spirits and ghouls. Also extremely important is the astrology there, which is thought to provide divinations of the days ahead. So, some Somalis believe that the appearance of certain stars, constellations and eclipses can presage everything from the coming of rain to a massacre. Now, if we want to know somebody or say, let's suppose a group of people or a country's people, we need to know their culture apart from the country's atmosphere. The varied cultural life of the Somali includes both traditional activities and especially in the towns many modern interests. Cultural activities consist primarily of poetry, folk dancing and the performance of plays and singing. Especially in the towns, traditional culture is rapidly being surpassed by important modern influences such as television, cinema, bars and restaurants. Urban Somalian cooking has been strongly influenced by Italian cuisine, and young townspeople are much influenced by Western fashion in the way they dress. Football or soccer is very popular sport there. Another important thing is that polygamy may be practiced in some areas of Somalia, whereby a man may have up to 4 wives. However, a man is only allowed to take multiple wives if he can afford to provide for each of them properly. So, you know what is the most unique thing is that the country is one of the oldest living centers on earth for the people. Why I am saying so? Because archaeologists still found historical artifacts. This information might give you a hint about what to do about Somalia when you're traveling across the country. Wilderness and a vast historical background seem attractive to many travelers. So, if Somalia does open for travel, visitors will again be able to experience its fascinating culture and enjoy its natural attractions, bask on pristine beaches and a trek across Reed Mountains. Well, there is so much to say about Africa, and I say that there is so much to discover in Africa. You will know the lesser known things about Africa, and we will do that for you only, because I know you are also with us. Let this be one family. Let's color the life with Imagination Gallery. liked and enjoyed today's journey to Somalia. Transmit your feedbacks and suggestions about our drawing session, and you can write here in the comment box. So if you like our drawing session and you want to know about different paintings and the stories behind that, then do not forget to subscribe our channel. Here's wishing you an incredible weekend. Stay safe and take care. Bye bye.